What's up, everyone? All right, well, today was a great day. Momentum is back. WORX up over 50%, which is terrific. And today's the first day of trading on vacation. You say hi?
Hi.
Hello. Yeah. So trading on vacation is always a little challenging. You guys have seen me trade on family vacations before. And, usually it goes relatively well. I always do it because I always like to try to hit a couple trades in the morning and then enjoy the rest of the day. I feel like it kind of keeps me in the groove. I'm not trying to go big and do anything crazy. So trading with smaller size, but that's also perfect for August. It's perfect for where I'm at in both my small account challenge and my large account. So I took it a little easy today. I didn't make as much as I could have, but I got green and we had some momentum. So it's a great start to vacation. The only problem is I'm also sick. I've had this cold for like a week. So it's kind of been picked up over the weekend, which is disappointing. But hopefully I'll be on the other side of it soon and feeling better as the week goes on. Hopefully we see more momentum as the week goes on. Today was great. Love to see more. But something that I mentioned during the recap is the fact that the expectations always for August should be a little lower because typically it's when a lot of people are on summer break and things like that. So there's less volume in the market, less buyers in the market, less sellers too, but just less volume across the board. So subdued momentum typically in August. That's okay. If we get one really good opportunity, that right there can cover the whole month. For instance, last month, just on Neuro, I made $150,000 just on one stock. And that represented more than half of my gains for the entire month. So if we get just one really good trade this month, now it could be one really good stock over the course of many trades over the course of like 2 or 3 days. But if we get one really good stock, that can make our month. And so what's key is, in the meantime, not digging too deep of a hole. I dug myself a little bit of a hole on Friday. I had a red day, but I didn't lose more than I would make in an ordinary good day, which is good, I didn't lose $100,000 or $300,000 or anything like that. So a little red, but I'll bounce back, and of course, I'll be back at it tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. I hope you enjoy the recap. Thumbs up for the recap. Thumbs up for WORX being up 50%, which is awesome. And thumbs up for the first day of trading on vacation while sick. We'll get through it, and I'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. All right, see you then. All right, everyone. So doing a recap on my main account here, up $2,300 on WORX. This was good. Small trades. I did give back a little off the top. My last trade was from 57 down to 46, so gave back $600 off the top. I was up like $2,900 at the high. So I pulled back a little bit off the high, but it's a small green day. That's part of kind of clearing the slate. Ultimately, if I can just finish this week green, I will be I'll be feeling a lot better about myself because, of course, I was red on Friday, and that ended up meaning that I finished the week red, which was disappointing. So I'd like to have a green week this week. I have to be a little bit more conservative. Stocks like MDIA, that squeeze up on light volume. Unfortunately, these ones right now, I just don't have the risk tolerance to trade. The loss could just be too great, and I just can't afford it. So something like this, I didn't touch. Robinhood, I also didn't touch. Nice idea, but I just can't trust it. So I focused on WORX, which was our, I guess it was like the fourth leading gapper, fifth leading gapper this morning. 7.79 million share float. Squeezed up first to 350, then up to 4. Pulled back. I had my best trade on it. Was right here, a red to green move. I got in right there about 397. I kind of thought it might red to green because the 5-minute chart was good. So we had a nice 5-minute setup with the first 5-minute candle being at 413 right there. So I thought if it breaks 413, then we might very likely see a retest of the pre-market high, which was like 425. And we did, and it squeezed up to 439 and got halted. So that was the best trade for me. I did try to add, for continuation up to 5. I knew that we had this daily level at 480, but I thought we could break through it. Ended up being wrong on that, but I didn't give back too much off the top. So I'm okay with it. So a small green day, if I could do this for the rest of the week, that would be great. I do recognize that, it's August. It's the typical time of year for slow, sort of choppy trading, which makes it a great time of year to practice, get experience trading in the simulator. If you're trading real money, you've got to be trading the smaller size because this isn't the time to be going big. We may see another big move like we had on Neuro last month, but until then, until we see something sort of on day 2 showing us that it's holding up well, we've got to be careful because what we're seeing a lot of are sort of a pop and a drop. And of course, you can make money on the pop or you can make money on the drop either way, like MDIA here. MDIA, yeah. Both ways. You can make some money on it, but it's hard when you get in, averaging in, and you don't get a big move, then you get stuck holding too high or even going back down. It doesn't go up enough, so the range is less, and it's just not easy. So we'll do better when we have bigger momentum. I don't know why my chart's not loading on Neuro. This move here for me was $150,000 in profit last month. And you know what? Last month's profit might just have to tide me over through the month of August. I finished July up over, like 200 and, I don't remember, 30,000 or 50? I don't even remember, but it was well over 200,000. As we sit right now, I'm down about 30,000 on the month, maybe 28,000 after today. So I'm right on the month of August, but of course it's still early, so I'm not really worried about that, but I'm not off to a great start. And what I'm really waiting for is something to show some big momentum. So something like WORX, not just to top out at 465, but to go to 5, to 6, to 7, to 8. I'm eager for those 300-400% intraday moves, but it's seasonally more likely that they'll happen between sort of October and February. And what we do get during these summer months, we've got to be grateful for it. Just let it be a nice summer victory and let it tide us over until things do get better, because there's some seasonality to the market. It's definitely cyclical, but there's a bit of seasonal as well. So anyways, that's it for me. Small green day, that was the goal. Just not to do anything too aggressive and get green. So got green, shut it down. I'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully we see, another single stock like WORX. One stock like that a day is fine. I can make 2,000 to 5,000 a day for the next few days until we get something bigger. The days where we come in and there's nothing, that's when it's a little bit disappointing, but hopefully we get something. Okay, so that's it for me. Good luck if you keep trading. It's about 10 a.m. and I'll see you in the morning.
I hope you really enjoyed that video, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 1 million subscribers this year, but we won't get there without your help. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button.